So over here, you can see that I have this particular paste right here in print module. And here you can see that I got some image cells right here. If I want to go ahead and change around its settings, then you can go around over here onto cells right here, just like this. So here you can see that right now lock photo aspect ratio is turned on. If I were to actually go ahead and select that out, I can now actually go ahead and then change out the aspect ratio of the image as well. But if I were to go ahead and lock it out, now what happens is that you can go ahead and see that as I resize, the aspect ratio is logged out. Similarly, I can adjust out the height and width right here, just like this as well, and even rotate out the cell right here by clicking on this button right here. But the image itself does not get rotated, as you can see right there. I can also go ahead and add in more pictures, like let's say, for example, 4:6 size picture right here, and it gets added in, as you can see right here. A new cell has been added in around over here. You can also go ahead and click on new page, and a new page is created right there. So just like this, you can actually go around over here and add in image around over here, just like this as well. And that is how you can simply go ahead and work around with cells inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic to get the pictures as you need. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe